Well, most fundamentally, public education, because if the public is not really aware of the critical importance of intellectual property definition, even if you have all the tough laws, it won't work. It reminds me that some years ago, my students in the classroom were using pirated books of mine to learn from me. So that's something very important. Second is really the rule of law, because China has already a complete system of legislation to protect the intellectual properties. However, the legal enforcement is not very satisfactory. So therefore, the most important work is really to step up on the legal enforcement and on the judicial enforcement. So that's something very important. The other is the Chinese companies and foreign companies, they also need to be aware that they have to be fair in terms of pricing. Because the Asian Chinese analog says that if you make your goods too dear or you price your goods prohibitively high, people will be thieves. So they have to learn how to adapt the reality. But I believe that with the rising buying power, with more public awareness, and also with the acceleration of legal enforcement, the picture has improved quite a deal for the protection of intellectual properties.